welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an homemade remedy that would help you to get rid of your dark elbow. Look at my elbow, okay, and look at this way. This particular elbow, you know, sometimes looks dark, okay. Well, unlike my neck is actually basically dark for some months now, okay. So maybe when I upload, the neck is going to get brightened, okay, because I've actually used so much and it's hormone, yeah. So but for your elbow and for your knee, the thing is that if you're actually using a chemical cream that is actually not good for your body, it's actually going to react, and when it reacts, it's going to, like, you know, burn all of those parts, okay, because it's thick, so it's going to make it look really dark, okay. So the first thing is that you're going to discontinue using those chemical creams, because if you continue using them and you're still using this that I'm going to be showing you, it's not going to work, yeah, straight away. So if you want to know what they are, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's dive into the video. To remove dark elbow and dark knees, guys, you're going to be needing to use fresh aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is a great remedy that works wonders on the skin, so it helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells, okay. So what we're going to do now is to extract the aloe vera. Okay, so I'm going to be using a knife, and then we're going to be doing it this way. So I'm going to be peeling off the peel. I'm going to be doing it this way, gently removing the peel without removing the gel too much. So I'm going to be grabbing a bowl, and for me to extract this aloe vera gel without lumps, I would have to use my crater, sorry. So I'll have to crate it, and I'll do that in a circular motion. That will help me to remove all of the gel. So I'm gonna be doing it this way. I see I have enough of the gel out here. We're also going to be needing to use rice powder. Now, rice powder is a great absorbing property. It helps to absorb the oiliness on the skin. It contains a whitening remedy that helps to lighten up the skin, removing any dark patches and darkness on the skin. So it will work wonders in removing all of the darkness on the skin. So for this, I'm going to grab 1 tablespoon and measure out about 1.5 tablespoon of this rice powder into this extracted aloe vera, and then mix it really well. You can see how stiff and strong that is. We're going to get to that place, okay. The next thing we're going to be needing will be sugar. Now, you can either use white sugar or brown sugar, because sugar has smaller granular particles, so it's going to help to remove all of the dead skin cells. So it's going to be working really well in removing the darkness at your elbow, and also the darkness at your knee, okay. But if this works so well by scrubbing out the dead skin cells, yeah. So we're gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're going to be needing magic white glycerin. Now if you don't have magic white glycerin, you can either use the normal glycerin, or you can add up lemon to this, yeah, because it's going to be very helpful. So this would help to lighten up the dark patches and dark areas. So for this, you have to be using just a teaspoon of the magic white glycerin. So we're also going to be making use of lemon, guys. Now to liquidify this and make this treatment works really well, you have to cut in lemon into it. Now you squeeze it in without sieving it, okay? Because we need all of those particles to scrub out the elbow and the knee. So now after this is done, we're going to be mixing this all up. You can see we now have a very friendly consistency in which we'll have to mix to give us that paste like look. So you have to give it a little time and stir and mix it really well. Alright, so this consistency is actually very perfect, and this is the perfect way to mix this. And here we go. So we're gonna be using this to scrub the elbow and also the knee. So I'm actually gonna be showing you how we're gonna be doing that, yeah? So let's go into the washroom and then let me show you all of that. Okay guys, so this is how my elbow is, okay? This is how it looks like. And this is how this one looks like, yeah? But when I bend it this way, I don't have any darkness here, but I seem to have a little here. So here is the treatment, and I'm gonna be using that to scrub my elbow. So if you have a dark elbow and dark knee, you would have to use this, okay? So you're going to be using this in a circular motion. Now the reason why you have to look at this, the reason why you have to use it in a circular motion is so that it could remove all of those dead skin cells, okay? Because when you do it this way, it's not doing all of the job, so you have to do it circularly like this, yeah? So that you get it removed, okay? So the thing is that when you scrub this, you're not going to be scrubbing and expecting all of the miracle to be in one day, okay? You know, these things are actually natural, so you have to scrub it and scrub it again, yeah? At least you can scrub this 3 times in a week. You can store this ingredient in your refrigerator for like 2 weeks. It has to be cool in a refrigerator, yeah. So you do it this way. Equally the knee, you also have to scrub your knee also with this, just like I'm scrubbing my elbow, okay? So after which you scrub it, then you can just rinse it. But before you rinse it, you have to hold on for about 5 minutes. Yeah, you just keep it there for like 5 more minutes, and then after 5 minutes it's going to get into your skin and it's going to lighten it up. Then you can wash it off. Okay, now you also do that at the elbow area. Let me show you my elbow and let me show you how to scrub that off. Alright, so this is how my elbow looks like. Although I do not have much of darkness there, but yeah, this is the ingredient. And what you do is that you grab it and then you would have to scrub your elbow. Okay, you scrub the two sides with this treatment. If you do this at most 2 weeks to 3 weeks, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements. Okay, so you scrub it in a circular motion like this, and I mean all of the darkness will be gone. Okay, now after which you scrub it like this, then you can leave it there for like 5 minutes, and then you have to go wash it off. And repeating this would help your knee glow and remove all of those darkness. So that's it, guys. Just like I've showed you, I scrubbed my hand. That's why I don't have the darkness here, but I have a little here, which of course is getting lighter. And to my elbow, I literally do not have darkness on my elbow because I am not bleaching. Okay, but if you're bleaching, stop using that and use this. It's going to help you to remove all of the darkness. Okay, and your skin is going to be looking really flawless. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.